Hey, what's up? What's up? What is going on, everybody? It's your boy Rico here, bringing you guys a quick behind-the-scenes look at the Akashx platform. So this is going to be the most recent, up-to-date, kind of overview of Akashx in the year 2023. We're in February right now, and I've officially been a part of the platform for a little bit over a month now, and I can tell you that in my 10 years of being in the industry of network marketing and also trading since 2015, I've never seen a platform like this before. And that's what really kind of pushed me to make the decision to go ahead and partner with mydailychoice and going ahead and promoting the Akashx platform as well. So whether you guys are already a part of Akashx and you want to get a little bit more in depth with how to use the back office, how to use the platform, or if you're brand new and this is your first time taking a look at it and you kind of want to see what it is that you're going to be getting access to before you actually pay for it, this video is definitely for you. So make sure you go ahead and just stick around, drop a like on this video as well. And if you guys want to, feel free to go ahead and share this out too, because I'm sure there's other people that might be interested in taking a look at this as well. So when you guys go ahead and you purchase the Akashx platform, you're going to get access to this back office right here, and which you guys can see is super clean straight from the beginning. So this is the home page. All right, we can actually go ahead and close out the side tab if we want to make this a little bit bigger. But as you guys see on the home page, very simply, you have your scrolling banner. So any updates, any news, or whatever the case may be, it's always going to be right here at the top of this scrolling banner. As you guys can see, it'll go one by one. Now, dropping down a little bit, what I really like about this is how user-friendly it actually is. So from the very beginning in the home page, you guys have a few tabs right here that you can click to go directly to wherever it is that you're trying to go. All of these tabs are also in the sidebar menu over here to the left as well. But let's just say, for example, you're coming in, you already know that you want to go straight to the Academy videos. You can click that right there. You want to go straight to the trade alerts. You can click that right there. You don't have to go to the sidebar and have to look for that. Now, this is actually a new feature that was just added, which is the top 5 educators. So this is going to be the top 5 current educators, and this is based off of views and popularity at this moment. And as you guys can see, what's awesome about this is that each educator comes with their very own educator profile. So what this does is it gets you a little bit more in tune with each of the educators, especially if you're brand new, but kind of gives you an idea of who you should be watching as someone that's brand new. Sometimes you come in a little bit confused. You're not sure where to start, which live sessions you should be getting on. And as you guys can see right here, top 5. So we got Brent in number 1, and he trades NAS 100 in gold. And there's a little educator bio right here that you guys can take a look at as well. We have Anna running up in 2nd place, and she trades indices. All right, so S&P, SPX 500. All right, again, a little bio. We got Ness Vquez, right? Someone that trades binary options for all my binary traders. And then Azia, hopefully I said that right, also a binary options trader, and Matthew Thayer, binary options trader as well. So again, right from the beginning, you guys are seeing, okay, who it is that you should be tapping into if you're not sure where to start. Some of these live sessions could obviously be a good start for you. Now, under the live sessions tab, the top 5 live sessions tab, you're going to see here, which is the live session calendar, which is pretty dope. It tells you all throughout the week or all throughout the month exactly how many sessions are going to be ran on each given day. So, for example, today is February 20th, and we can see here that there are 16 sessions that are ran today. Now, I want you guys to really think about this, because I know a lot of people come in and they say, well, I don't know if I have the time for this. Look at how packed out this calendar is right now. Now, Akashx 2.0 literally just launched, right, a little over a month ago, and I want you guys to see how packed out this schedule is already. So today is Monday, February 20th. We have 16 sessions going on for the day. So if I were to click that, you can see starting off at 5 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, going all the way down to 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. There are a bunch of different sessions that you can tune into. So again, it doesn't matter what your schedule is like. It doesn't matter if you work overnights, if you work early in the morning, if you work in the afternoon, if you have to put the kids to bed. there is more than likely going to be some kind of trading session that you can tap into. And what's cool about our trading sessions, and we'll get into this as well in a little bit, but there's two types of sessions that you can actually tap into. So number one is going to be the learning session, where you'll get on with one of your chosen educators, and they're going to be teaching you their strategy, the ins and outs, how to trade it, so on and so forth. And then you got the live trading session, where they get on and they trade live, and they might give you some analysis or give you an outlook of what they might be looking at. But again, if you're looking at today, 16 sessions today, tomorrow 24 sessions tomorrow, all right, all throughout the day for you guys to plug into. Wednesday 22 sessions, Thursday 22 sessions, so on and so forth. We even have sessions that are ran on the weekends. Now, obviously, the markets are closed on the weekends, so these are more than likely going to be either training sessions or crypto, right? Because we know we can trade cryptocurrency on the weekends as well. So, again, a lot for you guys to tap into just on the homepage. All right, to keep it super simple. And if you are brand new and you didn't get a chance to watch this video right here, you have a getting started video right here on the homepage as well, which is actually pretty cool, especially for some of those new customers that don't have access to Rico, right? All right, so that is the homepage right here. So we're gonna go drop down by drop down here on the sidebar. We're gonna go to the next tab, which is the community chat. Now, the community chat is really cool because I always say that. Just to be honest, man, I mean, trading is boring, right? Especially if you're doing it by yourself. And what most people don't understand is that when you're joining this, I believe that you're really joining a community. You're joining a community of traders that are could be brand new like yourself, that already have some experience, that maybe they're the educators. There's a whole community from very beginner, basic styles, right? And people just like you, to people who have been doing this for years, like myself, inside of some of these communities right here. So these chats, most of these chats are created by the actual educators. So automatically when you join the Akashx platform, you'll be added to the Akashx community group right here, which, by the way, if you guys download the app on your phone, which is super clean, right? The Akashx app, whether you have iPhone, iOS, or Android, you can download the Akashx app on your phone, and it's even easier to access the community and stuff like that straight from your phone, like Telegram or WhatsApp or whatever the case may be. These community chats are going to be right on your phone, right? But you'll automatically get put into the Akashx group, and for any other group that you might want to tap into, you can either come over here down at the bottom, you click the groups button, and it will show you all the different groups that were created by the different educators on the platform. So I'll give you guys an example. Mind on Billions. This is Ness's VQuez. He's one of the binary options educators on the platform. So if you join the Mind on Billions group on the Akashx platform, you're going to be getting all of the Ness VQuez updates. So he's going to be telling you when he's going live, different things that he's looking at. As you guys can see, there's people joining this, right? More and more people joining. We have a Spanish community as well for some of our Spanish speakers, right? We got the War Room. We got, the Matty Pips Pulse chat. As you guys can see, people absolutely crushing it on here, dropping testimonials, so on and so forth. So all in all, just great communities to be a part of. And again, that's one of the many benefits of joining, is being a part of that community, getting your questions answered, and not feeling like you are alone when you're going along this journey of obviously learning how to trade. Now, moving on to the live schedule. So this is more of a actual TV guide style schedule for the sessions that we looked at on the homepage. Now, what's really cool is that you can actually download this entire schedule and have it saved, as a picture if you wanted to do that. But again, just taking a look at the live schedule, the way that it works is you're going to have your days of the week up top. So Monday to Sunday up top. And then on the side, you're going to have the times. So, it's going to show you exactly when these educators are going live. And it's also going to tell you what they're going live about. So, for example, you're right here at 6 a.m., right? Tuesday, we got Ahmed going live, right? And Ahmed, it says Forex, indices, and crypto. So his trading is going to be based off of, obviously, those three things. But again, it tells you exactly what it's about. And you can go ahead and you can change the language up here on top if you speak a different language. And it will show you the educators or the sessions that are ran in that language. And you can also change the time zone, right? We have people from all over the world. I'm personally in Eastern Standard Time, right? So I'll change that right there, Eastern Standard Time. and it'll change this right here. It'll change the times on the left-hand side to the times specifically for Eastern Standard Time. So this is a live sessions. If you guys are interested in hopping on some live sessions, this is where you'll go ahead and access that. Okay. Now let's move on and drop down to session replays. So you have the live sessions, and then you have the session replays, okay? So the session replays are pretty cool, and it's self-explanatory. All sessions are actually recorded. So if for whatever reason, you know, maybe you had a birthday, maybe you had to stay late, maybe you decide to come home and go straight to bed. If you ever miss one of your favorite sessions, you can always come back and rewatch it right here in the session replays. Now, you can go ahead and kind of look at these through, you know, what instrument of style of trading you are. So if you're doing just Forex, you can click Forex. If you're doing just binary options, you can click binary options. If you're doing just cryptocurrencies, you can so on and so forth, right? You guys get it. But you could click that up here based off of categories, and then you could also, if you want, base it off of just educators. So for example, if I just wanted to see Nes Viquez, I would go ahead and click just him, and it will show me all of his session replays. If I wanted to do, you know, Kevin, right? Kevin Carr, I'll click him and it'll show me all of his recorded replays, okay? Now, obviously, the educator has to upload the replay in the back office for it to be there, right? But for the most part, that's what they're doing. All the educators are uploading their sessions to the replay. So you can see right here, right? 2 and 0. So these are all trading sessions. 2 and 0, 2 and 1, and these are binaries, by the way, right? So profitable trading sessions, 3 and 0, 2 and 0, 1 and 1, broke even, 2 and 1, 2 and 1, right? So these are his trading sessions that you can actually plug into, okay? So again, you know, more features to tap into. Now, what I also like about, you know, our educator platform is, again, I don't know about you guys, but I like to know a little bit about who it is that I'm learning from. And when you're looking at these educators over to the side, you also have the educator profile, right? So, you know, Rich is one of my favorite educators, right? But if you click Rich's educator profile, it'll show you his, you know, if you want all, you can do live schedule, you can do session replays, but it will show you his profile right here. So it'll give you a little bit about him. It'll tell you, you know, what his strategy is based off of. You know, some of his interests. He likes basketball, he likes fashion, and then his specialties in the market, okay? So as you guys can see here, he trades supply and demand, right? And smart money concepts. So these are things that as a trader, you might want to know, right? Because if you're learning from somebody, obviously, especially if you're brand new, you probably don't know much about, you know, the specialties like supply and demand or trading smart money. So if somebody asks you, hey, what style of trading do you partake in? You say, hey, look, I trade smart money concepts with Rich, right? So little things like that. I mean, it's just good to know, especially if you're someone that's brand new. It's always good to learn these terminologies and know exactly where you stand, right, in the trading totem pole. So those are the session replays. Now, the trade alerts is where it gets super lit, in my opinion, because this is where it doesn't matter if you're brand new, it doesn't matter if you're 18 or if you're 65, you can make money just from copying and pasting, right? And how this works is very simple. So all of our educators have access to these trade alerts, and what they'll be doing is, and by the way, again, if you have the Akashx app, these get sent straight to your phone, so you can literally copy it. If you're trading MT4, copy it and paste it straight to your MT4, right? You know, trade on the go. But how this works is very simple. So we have Forex, crypto, binaries, commodities, and indices. And our educators are literally sending you out trade ideas. They're telling you what it is that they're looking at in the market. They're sending you trade ideas, giving you the exact parameters of where they're looking to enter, where they're looking to possibly get out of the trade. And all you have to do is just take a look at it and you'll make a decision on whether or not you want to take that trade for yourself. All right. So it's a very simple, again, very simple concept. And what's really cool about this is that our educators as well, you know, they're supplying you with the possible strength or possibility of that trade going in your direction as well. So, for example, this is a 5-star trade, meaning this is a very strong trade in his opinion. It's all confirmations meet, it's good to go. You know what I'm saying? You might want to jump into this, right? If you're looking at a 3-star trade, this is it's not too sure if this happens, then we'll probably get in at this point, so on and so forth. So a 3-star trade, especially if you're new, if you're looking to make the most, I always say it's about quality, not quantity, right? So if you're looking to make the most and really, have and develop that patience, maybe you only want to take 4-star trades and above. Maybe you only want to take 5-star trades, right? It's completely up to you. But again, all the information for the trade idea and the alert that's sent out to you is literally right here on the screen. Okay, guys, it's right here on the screen. You can go ahead and take a look at the chart markups from the educator. They'll provide you, again, with the chart markups. Okay, so you can see exactly what it is that they're looking at and why they're getting into, said trade, right? Okay, there's notes over here to the side, and again, stop loss, take profit, 1, 2, 3, so on and so forth. Entry price. This is just next level. Okay, this is just next level. So that's the trade alerts. The scanners are one of my favorites, especially for newer traders in the beginning. I remember when I first started trading binary options, using scanners really helped me kind of better my entries, but more importantly, develop that confidence that a lot of people kind of miss in the beginning of their tradings, second guessing and questioning themselves, whether or not they should be getting in to a particular trade. So we have scanners that you guys can utilize and access that'll literally give you little arrows right here, okay, based off a point. So this is Euro GBP. So this was the alert right here, Euro GBP. It has a 5 score, so a score of 5. And once you guys are in, you'll learn about the point system, right? But we have a 5 score on this trade. It's a 5-minute buy. All right, Euro GBP, and it's telling you, okay, to get in right at this arrow. So as you guys can see, if you're going in the 5-minute time frame for a 5-minute trade, and you would have gotten in, you would have more than likely cleared this trade already. And if you would have gotten in on the second candle, or the one that opens right here, as you guys can see, we're still currently in profit for that trade. Now, again, it also gives you the strength of the trade right here on the side. So this is a 3-star trade, right? 3 stars. These are 1 star. So again, going for quality and not quantity, right? Quality, maybe if you're using the scanner, you might only want to jump into trades that are giving you those 3-star confirmations that also line up with the strategy that you're trading, right? So there you go. Another candle just opened, and you're still in profit on this trade right here. All right, so well over 5 minutes, you would have cleared that if you were trading binary options. So there's two scanners here. Pulse is more or less going for some quick reversals and trading the range, and Rhythm is more for the trending market. So no matter what style of trader you are, you can use both of these. As you guys can see, Rhythm is pretty dope, and again, you'll learn more about that. But this right here is probably one of my favorite parts of this entire platform, aside from the live sessions, and that is the Academy itself. So the Academy is next level, starting from very beginner basics, going to advanced as well as expert, teaching you guys the ins and outs of trading, what to do, what not to do. We can jump in at the beginners real quick to show you guys. But again, starting off from introduction. So going into the history of the financial markets. What is Forex? The most popular currency pairs to trade, right? The popular pairs, little things like that. What is a commodity? What are the most popular commodities, right? Tapping into terminology, pips, points, ticks, balance, equities, bull, bear, market, right? This right here is more mindset and psychology, right? So averaging down, not trading off of emotion, following a trading plan. These are all the things that you're going to need in the basics. Going all the way to expert, okay? Learning about what? Japanese candlesticks, right? So candlestick reversal patterns, harmonic patterns, different trading strategies that you can utilize as a brand new trader. Fibonacci and Elliott waves as well. So we got a lot of good stuff in these academies. And then taking it to a whole nother level, we got platform tutorials. So we know that some of you here might be brand new to MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. Whether you're trading it on your phone or whether you're trading it on a computer, we have platform tutorials to help you through that as well. And if you're someone that trades on CTrader, we have tutorials on how to use those platforms too. So everything that you guys are pretty much need is right here in this in the Academy section, including some cryptocurrency stuff. And then if you have a specific educator that you guys fall in line with and you like to get on all of their sessions, you can actually go to their Educator Academy. So each one of our educators actually has their own specific academy that's based off of their strategy and how it is that they trade. So if you have an educator that you're consistently plugging in with, you might want to go through their academy and then get on their live sessions, because it'll give you more of an insight of what it is that they're trading and how they're trading it, right? So, I mean, again, well put, well thought out academy section. This is just market resources, so just some extra stuff for you guys to utilize, anywhere from, you know, different articles about what's going on in the you know, the currency world, right, the forex world, some news, different webinars. We have calendars as well, which is really dope. You know, I know every morning when I first started my trading mornings before, I would always visit websites like forexfactory.com to check the currency news before I trade. And that's something that, you know, all new traders are going to want to do. You want to check news before you actually place those trades. We actually have the economical calendar right here in our back office, which is really cool. So you guys can see the different news that's coming up. You can go ahead and click it, and it'll tell you a little bit about it, and then bring you directly to that news source or article. It'll tell you if it's a low impact news, no impact news, medium impact news, or, right, red, 3 stars, some major impact news, right? So, because again, you might want to stay away from major impact news, right? So we got that right here in the back office, which is pretty dope as well. And then last but not least, before we go ahead and wrap this thing up, man, we have resources and tools that you guys can use, again, to help you take this to a whole nother level. So number one, your downloads features, right? Your download section, okay? Download a bunch of things pertaining to Akashx right here. I mean, we have, you know, pulse trainings, we have currency, cryptocurrency videos, beginner guides, advanced guide, all right, to using the platform. We have the, you know, how to use the trade alerts, how to get on the live sessions, everything that you guys will need right here, including the actual schedule. If you guys want to download the schedule and have that saved, you can do that. We have CoinZoom videos and tutorials, whereas you know, the company has their own pretty much crypto exchange that they're partnered with, which is CoinZoom, which is pretty dope. All right. If you're into cryptos, we have the crypto hot list. So, you know, you guys got all of this right here, all this crypto information right here. You don't even need coin market cap anymore, right? Everything is here, right? You can mark up. You have trading view in your back office, which is pretty dope. Do your markups, your analysis, you know, send some screenshots to your team or anyone that you might be trading with, right? You can log into MetaTrader, again, right from the back office, and you can actually place your trades right here. So you can link your MetaTrader broker, whatever broker you guys are trading on, you can link it right here to your Akashx back office and either trade here or, you know, keep it logged in and go ahead and take some trade alerts and ideas from the trade alerts tab and just copy it and paste it right there to your MT4. And again, be able to trade from the back office, which is pretty dope. We have market Forex market hours. I'm just going to, I mean, I can go on, right, about the different tools and stuff like that that you guys get access to when you go ahead and, you know, plug in with Akashx. But anywhere from lot size calculators, profit calculators, pip calculators, drawdown calculators, so on and so forth. You want to definitely plug into the Telegram group, the Facebook group, and then we have the 2 apps that I mentioned before right here down at the bottom. And obviously, if you guys are on your phone, you log in on your phone, you click that, it'll bring you straight to the app page to go ahead and download it on your phone. So all in all, guys, I mean, this is probably one of the most well thought out, user-friendly trading academies and platforms that I've ever been a part of. And I've been doing this since 2015. 2015, I got started with my very first trading educational company. It was a stock-based company. 2016, I got into Forex. 2019, I got into binary options. We have been doing this for a long time, and I've never seen a platform that was as advanced as this. And the beautiful part is that it is so user-friendly at the same time. And they just keep adding more stuff and keep making it better and better and better, guys. So I'm super fired up for what's to come. I'm excited for the future of the Akashx platform. We just dropped Akashx 2.0, so I can't even fathom what Akashx 3.0 might look like. But guys, I'm telling you right now, if you're not already plugged in with Akashx, right place, right time, man. Get your butt plugged in. You know, get back to the person that sent you this video. Say, I'm ready to get started. And if, all right, you're looking to join with me, my link's going to be right in the description down below. So go ahead and, again, just plug in with Akashx. You're not going to regret it. And if you're already in, All right, and this is your first time seeing this video. Hopefully I helped you out a little bit in understanding the back office and how to access everything, man. But with that being said, like I said, I don't want to make this too long. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you did, again, give it a thumbs up. Feel free to share it out with your new prospects or with people who are already on your team. This is your boy Rico, aka Rockstar Effects. I'm out. Peace.
You don't want the top 100 coins, man.
We're catastrophic rise inside of momentum, right? We're seeing a huge...
Yo quiero pues que sepan cómo trabajo yo mi operativa.
Now, we know that once we have a resistance zone in the market, right, it's because it's creating a wall.
We have started to see USD CAD slow down quite a bit.